OG Loke.
Yeah, you know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's up, CJ?
What's up? What's up, man? Wanna go to prison?
What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
So, dann fahren wir mal.
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I can get a little tense.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, it ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Loke.
OG Loke.
Oh yeah, he's a real gangster
What?
now.
I see. And what'd he do?
Anything he can get thrown in jail for his career, joyriding, parking fines, or some other bullshit.
Ja, wir holen OG Loke op. Den Gangster-Rapper. Mit dem werden wir noch öfters was zum da haben. Und zwar holen wir den von da ab.
Hey, there that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrating like he banging.
Think he hard. He got it.
Boy, I tell you.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey?
Hey, man, it's OG Loke, homie. OG Loke.
My bad. How was it though, homie?
Man, what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude. So what you want to do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeff. I thought you was going to, college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhymes. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stall us out with that shit to get in the car? Fool.
Move out my way, fool.
Fahr zu Freddys Haus.
What's your plans, big gangster? Now you a free man and all.
Man, I ain't free. My parole officer lined me up with a job.
Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming
Hoppala.
up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness.
Oh, da sind die auch noch wieder. Wieder am Plattmacher. So, wo wohnt denn Jeffrey? Ne, Freddy war's. Jeffrey ist ja der Rapper. Oh, ganz Rudel. Freddy wohnt dort drüben irgendwo.
Hurry up, fool.
Keine Panik. So, da wohnt Freddy.
Man, this is the spot.
Ain't this Vago's hood?
Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangsta.
Come on, let's leave Loke to deal with Casanova.
Hey, I'll stick with Loke.
Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Gut, wir haben OG Loke im Gepäck.
Get out of my face.
So, dann klingeln wir mal.
Freddy, I've come for you, you motherfucker.
Hey, Loke, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangsta.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it. Hey, Lo, get back here, nigga. You crazy. Hey, yo, back off me, CJ. I gotta protect my rep.
Der schreit nach Verfolgungsjagd.
Ooh, chase me, chase me!
Au, 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 au. Ob das gut geht, das bezweifle ich.
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience. I like the fast ass,
Oh,
not the
Rick.
slow ass.
Oh, das geht nicht gut. Rot noch.
I thought you were king, cute buns.
Ich kann das gar nicht lesen, was die jetzt da sagen. Weil ich mich da aufs Fahren konzentrieren muss. Oh. Schnell, steig auf.
Catch me if you can.
Oh, das war die Laternen. Und der ist da oben. Scheißdreck. Aber er muss ja irgendwann wieder oben. Ich glaube, da haben wir jetzt gleich scheitern. Noch sind wir ihm auf die Fersen.
Yoo-hoo,
Da ist er.
over here. Cooey, Jeffrey.
Schießen ober. Muss doch mal overfallen.
You know I love the thrill of a chase. Hey, baby, move those sweet cheeks.
Wo ist er? Da vorne. Der scheiß Radl.
Gotta show a little bit more enthusiasm, darling.
Quatsch nicht, steig auf. Geh weg. Jetzt hat.
Broken my heart. Get him, boy.
Yo, I'ma kill that loudmouth motherfucker. Your ass is mine. Oh, no. I ain't mean
Oh,
it
wo ist er
like
gleich
that.
tot?
CJ, come on. Don't you say a damn thing, CJ.
Was you lonely, Lo? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself.
I keep it real, unlike you fake-ass motherfuckers.
Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove.
Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job.
Whatever you want. You want to ride anyway?
Sure thing. Let's roll. Hey, take me to the burger shop in Marona Beach.
Oh, jetzt kennen wir die Bullen auch noch. Steig auf. Mach. Bleibt er denn? Steig auf. Jetzt.
Cause I'm keen with the hygiene on a mission like a super technician, baby.
Get on with that shit, man. Look at you. All muscly and shit.
Man, I got 17s on a hang.
You could have did that out here.
Because I did it in the joint, it's real now.
Yeah, I guess it is, gangster.
So, jetzt fahren wir zur Arbeitsstelle. Anscheinend. Oh. Schon wieder. Steig auf. Ach, das liegt da noch. Okay, steig auf. Was haben wir denn jetzt? Schon wieder verfahren. Ja, wo ist denn das Ding? Oh, leck. Überall pfeift. Wir haben ja erst den zweiten Fahndungsstern. Da vorne hat.
Thanks for the ride, CJ. Don't be a stranger, fool.
Yeah, for sure. I'll see you around.
Like a £quarter. Later.
Ja, immerhin haben wir das jetzt erledigt. So, fahren wir zurück zum Speichern. War ja gerade ein dramatischer Ritt. Die Flucht vor der Polizei. Steht da an dem Weg. Was gibt's da?
You know where your women are right now?
Ach so, ein Supermarkt. Aber dafür haben wir jetzt keine Zeit. Wir wollen speichern. Oh, schon wieder. Jetzt nehmen wir uns mal was Größeres.
Sharing, you know.
Da fallen wir wenigstens nicht im Ober. Knarren? Kann ich knarren. So, wir speichern jetzt, denn wir wollen eine Pause machen. Ups, Entschuldigung. Aber der Knüppel nehmen wir nur mit. So, also altbekannt, speichern. Und eine kleine Pause. Also bis dann.